Time to catch another feathered nuisance.
You get to that cage open. We'll keep Mr. Todd busy.
Aha!
We've got to be quick. I don't know how long Peter can fall, Mr. Todd.
Here, birdie, birdie. I've got a present for you. Gotcha! Aha! Got you! Oh, where's it gone? Huh? Ah! Oh no, my best trousers! Oh.
Oh. Ugh. Still not high enough.
Look, I made a staircase.
Benjamin? Benjamin!
Ouchie, I'm okay.
We need to come at this from a whole different direction. Ready?
Rabbit to brave, rabbit to brave.
You can do it, Benjamin. I'll help you.
Yay! We did it! I'm okay.
What's this? It seems someone's been playing a trick on me. And someone's going to be sorry.
Ha! That silly fox fell for it.
What? Oh, not again!
Thank you.
Come on, Peter.
Let's go. My tummy can't wait to taste your mum's gooseberry crumble.
Yeah. All that bird rescuing has given me an appetite.
Save me some. There's one more thing I want to do.
Are you taking Mr. Fisher's bird collar back?
Something like that.
My poor head. At least I don't have to listen to any more detestable birdsong. Oh, be quiet. Please be quiet. Please. Be quiet.
Monkey with a tool belt.
Quasi, sound the Octo alert. Octonauts, to the launch bay.
And got it.